in this question we need to prove that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. You can start from RHS also and prove that equal to LHS, or you may start from LHS also and prove that equal to RHS. So our LHS is cosec theta minus cot theta the whole square. Now you all know cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta, cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta, its whole square. So this is sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta the whole square. Now 1 minus cos theta whole square, I can separately give the square to both the numerator and denominator. In numerator I have 1 plus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta, and in denominator I will have sin square theta. So this will be 1 plus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta, and then I have this sin square theta. So what I can do here is 1 upon sin square theta is nothing but cosec square theta. So write this as 1 upon sin square theta plus cos square theta upon sin square theta minus 2 cos theta upon sin square theta. Now there can be many approaches after this step. This is one of them. So this is 1 upon sin square theta, which is cosec square theta plus cot square theta minus 2. Cos by sin is cot theta and then cosec theta. So cot theta cosec theta. So cosec square theta plus cot square theta minus 2 cot theta cosec theta is cosec theta minus cot theta the whole square. So this is cosec theta minus cot theta the whole square, which again gave me the first step only. So this pathway was a bit complex. So again we are left with this. What we can do here is 1 minus cos theta we have already got, and I have sin theta in denominator. So what I can do from this particular step is write this as 1 minus cos theta whole square separately divided by sin square theta. Okay, I can do this. I am given the square to both the terms. This is the same as this step. Now after this what I can do is write this as 1 minus cos theta whole square only. Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta is what I have written there. So I can now do something. I can write this 1 minus cos theta whole square 2 times. 1 minus cos theta whole square as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta times 1 minus cos theta. Now a square minus b square is a plus b, and then a minus b. Now you see 1 minus cos theta gets cancelled. We are left with 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, which is your RHS. Now we started from this step only. This was just a pathway which is important, because no one will tell you when you are proving that you need to go to this pathway or not. It's you who will decide that what you will have to do to reach to this final destination. So this was also important, but after this step we move to this pathway, and we finally move to the important thing, which is LHS equals to RHS, hence proved. So an important question, an important thing you learned in this question, that how to approach this type of questions. That's it.